Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Please don't always forget to like, to share and subscribe. Today I'll be teaching you how to fix your invisible zip to your dress. You need an invisible zipper and you also need an invisible zip hooker. You could go to the market to get this. So I'm going to be showing you how to fix it to your dress. So let's get started. First thing you do is to screw out your former hooker that you have there. You screw it out and then you remove it. Then you attach your invisible zip hooker to it. Can you see? You attach it to it, so you are ready to sew your invisible zip. This is the front of the invisible zip. This is the front and this is the back. So you open it up. Then you place it in such a way that it is the back you will be seeing. Remember I said this is the front. Then you begin to sew. So you start sewing. You sew close to the zip. Always back stitch the first part. You sew very close to the zip. You could use your hand to open the zip up. It's always advisable after sewing the first line, you could later go back to re-sew it again. So you just be very close to the just use this thing to shift it. So I'm going to sew one part. If you want to shift it, you could just do like this. You shift it, you then bring it out, you shift it, you bring it out. So now it's time to join the second side. So you just take it again. The same way you place your back, the back zipper to be facing you. So to make your 2 points at the top to be equal, is advisable you zip it up like this. Then you take this part and attach it here. You could use your pin to hold when you are done. You attach it at that point and make sure they are equal. Can you see? You check they are equal. And you can use your pin to hold it. This is a perfect way of joining your zipper, because if you don't do it like that, you might finish sewing and you find out that they're not equal. So you pull it up and then you can now start sewing. These are you sew it, you sew this one too to the end. You roll it up and move it back a little bit. Let's be very close to the so close. So we're done joining the two parts. You could just re-sew it again. You could just re-sew it again. This time you'll be using your hand to open the zipper. Now it's already attached to the dress, so you cannot shift. So use your hand to be opening the zipper yourself, so that you're very close to the zip. Can you see? Now it is very close to the zip itself. But remember not to sew on top of the teeth of your zip. So it should be very close. Very close to the teeth of the dress. That's how you sew it together. You keep opening the zipper. So you do the same thing, you get down. The same thing. You screw out your invisible zip out and fix your normal hooker back. And also screw it back. Always make sure it's not so tight, so you can easily do it yourself. Close it. And just stick with this. I've done one part, I'm doing the other part at the same time. Just join here and then I fold to sew on top of it. So guys, this is how the invisible zip will look like after fixing it. You have to look so deep before you actually see a zip. That is why some people like using invisible zip, so it will look like an English dress. If my video has been helpful, please like, share this video to your friends, and then subscribe. Bye.